Hi, this is Roman from 7pace, and I'd like to show you today how you can enrich issues in GitHub Projects with time tracking data from 7pace. First, let me explain how it works. GitHub Projects allow you to define your own custom fields for your issues. So if you define two fields for storing completed and remaining time, 7pace can then automatically update these fields whenever you add or track time. Let me show you how to set this up. You go to 7pace Hub, open Settings, Organization Manager, choose your org, and go to GitHub Automation tab. Here you can see the list of all your projects. We will demonstrate it on the first project here. You can see that the remaining time and completed time fields are missing. That's because they were not created yet. We cannot create it from the hub directly because there are no APIs for this at the moment, but you can create them yourself pretty easily. You can use this link to open GitHub. It will open directly the settings of your project in GitHub. Here you can see the custom fields. Currently there is only status. You can see iteration or whatever you have already created there. So let's create the new fields. The first one is called remaining time, and it has to be numeric. The name has to match exactly. If I go back to 7pace Hub now and reload, I can see the field is already there. Let's create the second one, completed time, and let's create it wrongly with a text field type. If I reload, I can see that the field is present but is incorrect. The only way how to fix it is to delete the field, including the data, so be careful about it, and create it once again, and now with the correct field type. Let's check. Good. So it's all set. Both of the fields are present. Now let's show how the magic works. We need to enable the automation first. Let's go to the project. I used one test issue here, so let's open it. And let's say that the remaining time will be 20 hours. Good. Now, if I add time, of course it works for tracking as well, but let's add time 4 hours, for example. Let's wait a few seconds. Yeah, and now you can see the time was updated. So the remaining time was reduced and the completed time went up. What are the benefits of this synchronization between the time in 7pace and in GitHub? Well, it's twofold. First, you can use the fields in your tables like this, so you can see it here, and you can also create charts directly in GitHub. Let's use, for example, line. The x-axis will be time. Group by is not needed, let's say. And if you use sum of a field and choose, for example, completed time, you can create burn up charts directly here in GitHub, so as you can really stay in GitHub and see all your work here. That's it. Thank you for watching. We definitely plan to improve the integration with GitHub even further over time. In the meantime, in case you have any questions or suggestions, reach out to us and have a nice day.